Good day everyone, I am Recess Audrey V. Capsa and this is my performance task in science. My topic is all about the respiratory system. The respiratory system is responsible for the exchange of gases between the atmosphere, the blood, and between the blood and the body cells. What are the purpose of the respiratory system? The purpose of the respiratory systems are: it provides oxygen to the tissues. It removes carbon dioxide from the body. Number 4, it cleans air before it enters the inner body. This is the respiratory system anatomy. We have the nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, alveoli, and lungs. Components of the respiratory system. Nostrils are the opening into the nasal passages that are lined with hairs called cilia. The cilia filters the dust and the other particles present in the air. They also protect the nasal passages and other regions of the respiratory tract. Nasal cavity is a large air-filled space above and behind the nose. Nasal cavity moisturizes, warms, and filters air entering the body before it reaches the lungs. The other components of the respiratory systems are also the pharynx, common passageway for food, water, and air. Larynx, voice box for animal controls breathing, keeps objects out of lungs. Epiglottis, a valve-like structure that shuts when swallowing food. Trachea is also known as windpipe, consists of cartilage rings. The trachea filters the air we inhale and branches into the bronchi. Bronchi are two tubes that carry air into the lungs. Bronchioles, small tubes from the bronchi. Alveoli are grape-like structures at the end of bronchioles. The alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs. The alveoli have thin walls that are surrounded by blood vessels where the exchange of gases takes place. Lungs. Lungs are located in the chest cavity surrounded by the rib cage. The lungs are the main part or organ of the respiratory system. This is where the exchange of gases occurs. The last component of the respiratory system is the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that controls breathing, which is located at the bottom of the lungs. As you can see in the figure, when we inhale or breathe in, the diaphragm contracts and pulls down. This movement increases the space in the lungs. When we exhale or breathe out, the diaphragm expands. This movement reduces the amount of space for the lungs and forces the air out. And that is all about my presentation about the respiratory system. I hope you enjoyed this video.